Horton River is a river unlike any that I have paddled. Being Canada's northernmost flowing river, it holds a special place in the canoe tripping world. Alongside other rivers north of 60, these places are unique. They travel through country that is largely untraveled and unseen, or arguably unimaginable by most of humanity. We are lucky to have seen this place, lucky to have traveled together, lucky to have laughed, struggled, cried, eaten, drank, and simply been jovial together in this incredible place. From the barren and treeless landscape of Horton Lake to the spruce-speckled rolling hills, through swifts, sandy campsites, headwinds, amongst rocky outcroppings, raised tents, delicious food, sound sleep, char holes, bitter cold, and an endless gourd barrel, there were three constants: the cobbled riverbed, the crystalline Arctic waters, of course, and the company of the 15 other souls around us, and Ranger. And this became our life. We woke, rose, and got underway, traveling one stroke at a time, one breath at a time, through a place where our only companions were the wild spirits of the caribou, grayling, eagles, and moose. We were even presented with such encounters as the lynx, a couple of Arctic wolves, and of course we were blessed with a gift of self from a char. There are too many memories to recount here, too many of my own and countless of yours. But what makes a trip so special is the rhythm and how it becomes your everything. And if you do it right, you take everything that is going on in your life and push it aside, so you can be present, truly present, because the experience is too real to not give it its proper due. It demands that you dig deep within yourself and share who you are with those around you. And if you can open yourself up and give your attention and whole self to the experience, the river will reach deep within you and show you a part of yourself that you either did not know or were scared to look at. And it was a beautiful thing to be on Horton 3 with you all, to watch each other grow and grow in community. So here we are, looking back, thinking back, and maybe wishing to be back. This too is a part of the journey, and maybe one day we'll cross paths again, but the chances are slim. And we all know too well that life is complicated and busy. And we should make sure to keep in touch, because that trip was too good, too memorable, and the company was too wonderful to let slip away.